You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People who are going with their back on a Friday, or me don't know if you are actually get this video on a Saturday, but whatever the case may be, with there I go and hold it, you see it. So hope everybody good. So we have some new music today what we are going to talk about, you know what I mean? Shenseea have something hot, you know, so we have to talk about shakers, you know, say Chaddy is for the ladies. Mavado drop a song as well. It's not yet on his official Vivo, but I think pretty soon it will be. It actually a riddim. Well, alright, let me hold back on some of them. ADV Bad Breed release his first music video, and people, me are telling you, the music video is hot. TEEJAY is gonna explain the true meaning of Braff. This and many more in this video right now.
Joe me touch road clean every time. Some say my boss, some say me hype, but me not no reason for hype. But no man, watching my name and man ad video represent for Chaddy TV, you know what I mean? You know want the latest views, reviews, news. Check him out, YouTube, and see me I said, baddest thing, you hear that? Ad video.
So we are going to kick it off like so. So JA Productions, you know, just us, we give we overtime riddim and a bag of hits, some good nice riddim. And them Roach used to work with before he passed away. A matter of fact, he was JA Production. Anyway, them have a juggling riddim and it bad, you see me? So me have a couple songs pan the riddim and we are going to play it now. One of them is Shenseea. So check out Shenseea Tie Me Up.
Tangle me and tie me up. Up, shiny back. Come inside, outside, up. Bedroom clean and tidy up. Close the window, wind it up. Hand on the rope and tie me up. Cock for me, no tidy up. Bedroom clean and tidy up.
Shenseea, I'm not telling a lie. The song nice and everything, but the only fault me have with it, I care how you pretty. You cannot tie me up. Me not do that something there. Bam, you go tie me up and then it not gonna work. But the song bad still. And then me get some information say she go release the video pretty soon, so you can look out for the video, the official video for the song Tie Me Up. Me feel like that's why this song is not yet on her Vivo channel, but still a little bit more of Tie Me Up.
Me have a son, but the egg them not done lately. Me ready for your girl, baby. Beat it up like you hate me. Make me ball for the lad, come save me. Pon me like slavery, turn me and steer me. Left, right, shit your stick and gear me. Lay me down pon the ground, put your hand in me hair. Rub it like cement when you baby.
So Shenseea says she have a son, but her egg them not done. And lately, she ready for your girl, baby. Is that a little hint telling Ramesh she want a baby? Cause you know it's rumored and probably proven. Say them a date. Boy, people must have said Chaddy love to mix up here. Anyway, still it didn't look cute for she breed from me still, but then again I don't know. So put it in the comment section. So people, when you think about that song here, you like the flow, me know say the girl them are gonna love it. No doubt about that, you see me? And you see that particular part here in that song, I have to play it because I love it.
God and hell me take you in like sinner. Hold me and squeeze me like trigger like a love cause. No revision but from you come in here, me a glow and shimmer. Like me new bimmer, me say ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la, ooh la la.
So that was Shenseea on the Time Machine riddim. You see me? So wanna tell me if you don't like it, and remember riddim is produced by Just Us, repping for JA Productions. So make we hear Mavado up on the same riddim.
Me alright, me alright, we alright. Party with enough girl all night.
Tell everybody.
Alright,
Everybody.
me alright, it's alright. Party all day and all night.
So yes, people, this sound like a nice little juggling riddim. First we hear Shenseea, wow, somebody tie her up, me don't know who still, but now Mavado say him alright. So it look like it's a good look, it look like the riddim can work, it look like say yo everything a go flow. And people, you know Just Us them always a make nice riddim, not necessarily singles, but they are known. They are known for juggling riddim. I say them make good singles too, you know. But me just say them known for juggling riddim. And them they make overprove riddim over time. I must say that's why they name that one a Time Machine. It just a add up, you know. You see me? Them always a stick with the times. You see me? But still, a little bit more of Mavado. We alright.
My life at the brightest. My pocket of elephantitis. Left them in a dust. Like me type in a rally. Change from mortal to immortally. What a pretty skin girl, oh my dolly. No biological, but call me daddy. Me step out me swaggy. Diamonds all over me body. Me alright.
The man same pocket of elephantitis, so you know same pocket well fat. People, if you don't know what is elephantitis, that's like a foot disease, a disease where always in a people leg or something like so. Me now use Google right now for help me, you know, so me talk off the top of my head. Yeah man, it's like a leg borne disease where it make your leg them fat, swell up, you see me? So the term elephant and elephantitis, you know what's an elephant of big, yo, me nah go in no medical terms, but how that it mean, you can Google it, you see it. So basically my father say him pocket fat. That me have to say. You see me? And Ding Dong did get peace already too, but Ding Dong did release him song and video already from last week. So in case you never realize that Ding Dong are off the same rhythm, it bad him and Billboard selector, boom boom.
Everything turn up for me friend them not fi worry. Every single thing me sing, I miss them call me curry. Lick up on the table where the cup they beg you hurry. With a story in my brain me get side, make me blurry. Girl I bubble up in return, I'm getting money. Every girl you come on the link, I feed the honey.
Yeah man, that a Ding Dong and boom boom. You see me? I tell us it bad people, you can go check it out. So we are gonna left from Just Us Riddim right now. I'm gonna talk about ADV and him new song, him new music video. You see me? Check it out right now.
My time now, yes, my time now. My time now. My time now, yes, my time now. My time now. Me no need no navigation for reach my destination. Me see it say so my turn now.
John know that song you bad. Me no know which one better, the song or the video. The man say him no need no navigation for reach him destination. Cause you see a film time now. That means say him no need nobody to tell him say yo you need to go over there. You need to turn right. I see at the roundabout take the first right or left. Him no need nobody at all. Him know where him go for. Him know him aim. And people, me no know either the song or the video which one better. Adv is the name, Badmind in the song, and the link in the description. You see me? Make sure you no go on over there and tell him say a Chaddy TV send you.
Music of my life, me prepare for the fight. Fate don't decide long time. Soon as a black man rise them, chat one side say you switch a load to live life. Me have too much pride, them can't broke my vibes. No matter how hard them try, cause them too bad mind.
Want to look out for the full review. Look out for the full review for this song, for this visual. And matter of fact, I promise you, me I go do a video reaction. You see me? For the longest while, I want to do one of them thing there. And now, me get a bad song like this, a bad video like this. Why not kick it off? So look out for that, you see me? Very soon. And people remember, go on over Adv channel, you see me? And it's a new Vivo him have just get fresh and all these things. So go subscribe, go comment on the video. Pick out songs. Him have couple songs on there, not only Badmind, but him have other songs as well. So just comment on the one where you like and tell him say a Chaddy TV send him. You see me? So a few days ago, POPCAAN put up a photo, and under the photo, somebody write Braff. You see me? I know say at the 6 them response for that something there. That mean TEEJAY, Chronics Law and Squash. You see me? So under the post where the person marked Braff, POPCAAN commented and say yo him no know that something there, him no know one name so. You see me? So right now and then TEEJAY decide to go up on Fame Live and explain what is Braff. I don't know if I should take it as that is him a clap back and I don't see no way which TEEJAY diss him. But him a talk about the Braff argument, and you know say Braff is a new word created. To me, it mean flossing and all these things, having a good time. So make we see what TEEJAY have to say. What is TEEJAY meaning of the word Braff?
Braff it near man. Braff it near man. Yeah. Braff world man.
Braff man.
A Braff world, see it? A Braff world. Here. Remember that say a Braff world here. Top Braff. Anybody when I'm Braff last. See?
Yes. No, but Braff, people know say Braff mean good. Hello? Yeah. Braff mean greatness, Braff mean upright, Braff mean doing good things.
And it mean
and it mean fun also, everything, you see it? Yeah. I don't, you see me, we Braff different.
I see me favorite school in
Yo, you want? You want a screen protector too. Line up, here what? Here more, you know. When I hear about top Braff, man, I say, man, we out here, man. Screen protector. You see me done? And one case to me. Get what it? Screen protector. You understand, man? Screen protector. Oh, dear, man, that's it. And the earbud. Braff and a flask, come on, money, no.
So there he tell you what Braff mean, but people, the part in the video where me have a question, the part where he say, yo, anybody now Braff, I lost them last.
Anybody when I'm Braff last?
Was he actually shading POPCAAN right there? Boy, I don't know. But what I want to do, comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you feel say that was like a subliminal diss at POPCAAN, where I say, yo, I lost POPCAAN last. I don't know still. I don't really think so, is it? But you tell me in the comment section what you think. And people, that's the end of my review. So I would like you to hit that subscribe button if it's the first time you're watching. And turn on post notifications. So anytime I upload videos like these, you're going to be the first to know. And if you like the video, give the video a like, no man. And if you don't, comment in the comment section and tell me why you don't. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And I'm out.
My time now, yes, my time now. My time now. My time now, yes, my time now. My time now. Me no need no navigation for reach my destination. Me see it's like my turn now.